What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Tim Reviews Everything. I welcome you to the channel if you're a new subscriber. Guys, I encourage you to go through my playlist. Go look through all my videos. I have a lot of videos up, a lot of reviews that I've been doing. If you are new, hit the notification bell. It's just going to let you know when I post videos. I don't have a set schedule. Leave any comments or questions in the comment section below, guys. And if you give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. So I went out and bought a pressure washer, and I've been using the crap out of this thing since I bought it. Guys, I used to have an old electric pressure washer that my brother and sister and myself used to borrow or, switch around the households. If you have a small area, you can get away with an electric pressure washer or even a battery operated pressure washer. If you have a large area, I really highly recommend getting a gas powered one. And honestly, I don't see you having to go any higher than the 3,300 PSI that I have. It is working just fine. So I have concrete sidewalks, I've got concrete patios, concrete back porch, and we are going to be getting a concrete driveway, and I have a house full of siding. The one thing I don't have that I'm going to be getting is an extension so I can get the siding up higher. But guys, the thing has been working wonders for me. I washed the cars with it. I'm going to show you a little bit of video here in a minute. So right out of the box, guys, this pressure washer is 3,300 PSI. It's 2.3 GPM, which is gallons per minute. And like I said, more than enough. So I paid $429 for this at the Home Depot. If you see the same model for a cheaper price, it's probably because it has the 25-foot hose. I wanted the 50-foot hose, so I paid a little bit more money. It also comes with oil in the engine. It also comes with a separate bottle of oil that you can, because you're gonna have to top it off, guys. You're gonna have to add some oil in there. It tells you where to put it in. Read your directions. There's little marks on the dipstick that you have to be in between. So that's what you add into the oil. And guys, it comes with this nozzle, which is it's a quick change. It has what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5-in-1, a 5-in-1 setting. You have soap fan, soap jet for like when you're washing your car. You have a 0 degree, a 25 degree, and a 40 degree. I'm going to show you. I did not add soap to this yet. But I am going to show you on the one little piece of patio I got on the back, coming out our back door. I'm going to show you the different sprays. Plus you'll see me washing my car. I'm going to show you a video of that where I used a softer spray. I also used a softer spray on the siding. So the 0 degree on this, the sharpest one you're going to get to do sidewalks with. So if you just buy this, then I'm going to show you a video of just using the 0 degree on the sidewalk. And then I'm going to show you this right afterwards, because this is the turbo nozzle that I was told by the Home Depot to buy if I'm doing sidewalks. It says it's up to, could be up to 50% more power. Guys, you're going to see in the video when I show you that it is absolutely worth getting this thing for $40. If you're doing sidewalks and you're doing a large area, I highly recommend to get this thing, and you're going to see why. And another reason why I went up to the 3,300 PSI is because when you get up to the higher PSIs, you get the Honda engine. Guys, I love Honda stuff. I have a Honda lawnmower. I got Honda cars. Honda's reputation speaks for itself. When you get to the lower models, you do not get the Honda engine. It has RYOBI's name on it. Whether or not that's a RYOBI gas engine or not, I have no idea. But I wanted a Honda engine in my RYOBI gas-powered pressure washer, so that's what I was looking for. So let's get to some videos. So I'm going to show you right here, guys. This is where the garden hose hooks up. I'm just showing you real quick, and this is where the pressure washer hose hooks up. Then you take the other end of the pressure washer hose and you just hook it up to the pressure washer. All right, guys, so you're ready to use your pressure washer now. So the only thing I recommend is when you turn your hose on, I let the water run through a little bit. I just let it go for about a minute before I start it up. I start it up and then I let it run for about 30 seconds. Why? I don't know. I just feel like it was stalling when I tried to hurry up and rush it along. So I let it run for a little bit before I start using it. I haven't had any problems since then. So as you can see right here, washing the car, I got it on the softer spray. I got it on that, probably like a 40 degree, and I'm just hosing off the Hummer right here. And now you can see on my back porch, it's just a small patio, a little landing coming out from the back door. Guys, that nozzle right there is the full spray nozzle with the 5-in-1 changer that comes with the pressure washer. Now look at the turbo compared to that. And now you could see why that turbo is so crucial, because it is just covering way, way more surface than what you would get with that 5-in-1 changer. Now I'm up front on the sidewalks, and you know, I just had my daughter taking some video of me right here just doing the sidewalk, just showing you all the dirt that's coming off and how powerful that turbo nozzle is, and how much more coverage that has than just a regular 5-in-1 nozzle. And now I'm going to show you some before and after pictures. Here is the sidewalk before and after. And here is the back porch before and after. So guys, like I said, some before and afters, some video of you actually seeing it work. The turbo nozzle, $40 extra. If you want to get that, highly recommend having that turbo nozzle, especially if you have a large area to do. If you have a small area, then you could probably get away with just using the 5-in-1 nozzle, but it's going to take some time. And I also want to say that, you know, the 3,300 PSI, I think that's enough for home use. Unless you have a commercial business and you're doing something else, but for home use, 3,300 PSI is more than enough power. You know, I really don't see you needing to go any higher than that. So guys, it's just a quick review. You know, the pressure washer, it works great. Any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you again, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good day.